You won't believe what Kailyn Lowry just revealed. The Teen Mom 2 star has spent over $1 million on child custody battles. Yes, you heard that right, more than $1 million navigating the complicated, emotionally charged world of co-parenting across multiple families. For most of us, legal fees like that are unimaginable. But for Kailyn, it's been a reality she's had to face while raising 7 children from 4 different fathers. The stakes are high, the tension is constant, and the financial burden is staggering. But this story isn't just about money. It's about the emotional toll, the controversies, and the relentless pressure of trying to protect her kids in the public eye. Before we dive into the eye-popping costs, let's rewind and see how Kailyn's journey got to this point. Kailyn first rose to fame as a young mother on Teen Mom 2, quickly becoming one of the franchise's most talked-about stars. Over the years, she's grown her family to 7 children, each with unique co-parenting dynamics. From the cameras to real-life courtrooms, custody has been a recurring theme in her story. With so many moving parts, it's no surprise that disputes can become long, complex, and expensive. For viewers who might not follow her every move, it's important to understand that Kailyn's life has been a constant balancing act between fame, motherhood, and legal battles. So why exactly did the costs reach $1 million? Kailyn herself has admitted that she never anticipated the legal maze she would encounter. Every child, every custody arrangement, and every co-parent brings its own challenges. From lawyers to court filings, evaluations, and mediation, the bills add up faster than anyone could imagine. Even minor disagreements, something as seemingly small as a haircut or extracurricular activity, can spiral into legal disputes, driving costs even higher. What makes it even more intense is that these aren't one-off situations. Kailyn has had multiple cases overlapping, each demanding attention, time, and of course money. Not all custody battles have been equal. Some co-parenting relationships, like the one with Joe Rivera, have evolved into smoother partnerships over time. Others, however, have been fraught with tension, disagreements, and public scrutiny. These contentious relationships have only amplified the financial and emotional burden. Fans have watched as every legal twist and turn unfolded, often sparking debates online about her decisions. It's a reminder that custody is rarely black and white. It's a battlefield with no easy victories, especially when kids, money, and public attention collide. The emotional toll of these battles cannot be overstated. Kailyn has shared that nobody wins in child custody, a statement that resonates deeply with anyone who's followed her journey. While some fans sympathize with the enormous financial commitment, others have criticized her approach, questioning whether the money and time spent were truly necessary. The reality is that custody disputes are emotionally draining, requiring constant negotiation, vigilance, and compromise. For Kailyn, every decision carries weight, not just financially but emotionally, for her and her children. And then there's the online controversy. Social media reactions have been fierce. Some people argue that spending such a large amount is justified, given the scale of her family and the complexity of her cases. Others suggest it's excessive, even questioning her motivations. Many fans speculate about whether money is being used to influence outcomes, a topic that fuels debate and keeps the conversation going across forums, Reddit threads, and celebrity gossip sites. Kailyn's story has become a lightning rod for discussion about parenting, privilege, and the legal system's role in family life. Beyond the dollar signs and court appearances, these battles have deeply impacted Kailyn's personal life. She's been candid about her struggles with relationships, co-parenting, and maintaining stability for her children. Dating and introducing new partners to her kids is approached with caution, reflecting the complicated realities of her family situation. The public sees the drama, but behind the scenes, it's a delicate juggling act, one that requires constant emotional labor and strategic thinking. So where does this leave Kailyn today? Custody battles are far from over, and the cost is about more than money. It's the toll on her family, her energy, and her mental health. Over $1 million spent, countless courtrooms, and endless online scrutiny, all in pursuit of what she believes is best for her children. Kailyn's journey highlights the often unseen realities of co-parenting in the spotlight: the financial strain, the emotional weight, and the constant pressure to navigate legal and personal challenges simultaneously. In the end, Kailyn's story is more than a figure on a legal bill. It's a powerful glimpse into the realities of modern parenting, fame, and the relentless complexities that come with raising children across multiple families. Her experience forces us to ask difficult questions. How far would you go to protect your children? Is there ever a way to win when custody, money, and emotions collide? For Kailyn, the answers are still unfolding, and her journey continues to captivate fans and critics alike.